Namaste, this is Anagh. Today we are going to learn the seas in Europe and their location. First, before going to the seas, we look at the oceans. To the north of Europe, we find Arctic Ocean. And to the west of Europe, we find Atlantic Ocean. Right? Now, coming to the seas of Europe, we start from the beginning, from the north. Here we find Barents Sea, and just below it, here we find White Sea. Coming over here, above Norway, we find Norwegian Sea, which was named after the country itself, Norway. Alright, yeah, below here, this total, it is Baltic Sea. Coming to here, this is the North Sea. Just below North Sea, here we find Wadden Sea. This sea was named after the islands present here. And coming to between Ireland and UK, in between these we find the Irish Sea, named after Ireland. And over here we find Celtic Sea. Just below Celtic Sea we find Bay of Biscay, that is base. We are now discussing only seas and also oceans. Yeah, these are the seas located above Europe, that is north of Europe. Now let's come to below Europe. Here we find a major sea, that is Mediterranean Sea. Yeah, we'll go from this side to that side. Right, first here we find the, what was that? Yeah, Alboran. Alboran Sea, named after the island, Alboran Island. Here we find Balearic Sea, named after Balearic Islands. And over here we find Ligurian Sea, named after the Liguria area here in Italy. And coming to the Italy peninsula, we find a sea on the west side and a sea in the east side. Sea in the west side is Tyrrhenian Sea. Tyrrhenian Sea. And the sea to the east side is Adriatic Sea. Adriatic Sea. Yeah. Just like Italy, we also find a sea on the west and east of Greece also. We know this is Greece. So the west of Greece, we find Ionic Sea. Ionian Sea, yeah. Ionian Sea. Yeah, to the east of Greece, we find Aegean Sea. Over here, between the European Turkey and Asian Turkey, we find Sea of Marmara. This is also considered to be the smallest sea in the world. Above Sea of Marmara, here we find a large sea, that is Black Sea. Above Black Sea, we find Azov Sea, which was named after the city Azov in Russia. And also, most of us think that Caspian Sea is also a sea. Basically, Caspian Sea is not a sea, it is a lake. It is the largest salt water lake in the world. So, Caspian Sea is not a sea. So, these are the important major seas in Europe. Thank you.